Hello there and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. I'm Brenda Olam for those of you who are new here, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be taking you with me for a hike at Karura forest, so please keep watching to see more.
You left me with a heavy heart. I'm colder than the day you met me in the dark. I feel the air around me as the stars to move. I realize I never had that much to lose.
So for those of you who do not know where Karura Forest is in Nairobi, and it can be accessed by Limuru Road or Kiambu Road. Karura Forest is about 2,570 acres, and it's the home to a wide variety of trees and also over 200 species of birds.
Be more than just my enemy. One day you and me, we can live our fantasies. I want to believe we can rule the galaxy, move on from insanity. We can live our fantasies. We can live our
So if you're looking for a space to spend your time, exercise, relax, or have a picnic, I would recommend this place. It has about 50 kilometers of trails where you can walk, run, or bike.
Show me you can be more than just my enemy. One day you and me, we can live our fantasies. I want to believe we can rule the galaxy, move on from insanity. We can live our fantasies.
So there are caves, waterfalls, and some ponds you can go and see, or if you're not interested in that, you can just have a walk. But since we didn't have time, we just decided to see the waterfall and go back. if you have your own personal car, I would definitely recommend you use it, because from the parking area to the main gate access from Limuru Road, it's about 3 kilometers, and then it takes you another kilometer to see the waterfall. So if you have your car, you can just drive to the parking and walk that extra kilometer to the waterfalls or the caves or the pond. So the forest is open at 8 a.m. and it closes at about 6 p.m. and the charges at the gate are 100 shillings, and I think you're also charged for parking if you have a car, and if you have an Uber, you're basically just allowed to, you can be dropped off and the driver can go back. And also if you want to be picked up by an Uber, they allow the Uber to get in, pick you up, and also go out. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and bye.